And the second thing that we really want our audience to be aware, especially when we are young, we want to lock in life insurance is because our health is still good.
Yeah, protect your insurability. When you're young, you're much more likely to be healthy, not have any, chronic health problems that we as Americans tend to get,
Sure,
as we
sure.
get older. So, and life happens and crazy things happen. So, get it now while you don't have those major medical issues that can either make you uninsurable later in life or, at the very least, significantly increase your rates.
Absolutely. And I'll share with you one example. So way back when I first started in insurance and really learning about life insurance, what it can do for our families. So I decided to take out a policy for myself, and I recommended the same thing to my younger brother. And at that time he was like 18, 19 years old, and uh, and we have barely 2 pennies to rub together, but I thought, it might be a good idea to lock in something because we didn't come from very affluent family. So if something happened to one of us, it's gonna be a huge financial burden on our family, like, my mom and dad, like, really, that's all we have. So,
Right.
we didn't wanna put that burden on our parents, so we took out a small policy for him, and fast forward 7 years into the policy, my brother was diagnosed with lupus, and
Oh,
that's a
wow.
chronic illness,
Yep.
So he is essentially not eligible to buy any other life insurance plan now, but he has the one that we had set up for him, for our parents, really,
Right.
and that rate is locked in even after he developed that illness. So that's one
Right.
nice thing
Right.
about locking it in early. And a lot of time too, I want to, um, and not a whole lot of people know this, right, Christy, is while you're young, a lot of times you can qualify for plans that do not even require any medical exam at
Right.
all.
Yep.
You literally just fill out an application, sign, pick the plan that's right for you, and then
Yep.
off you go. You're good.
Yep. No pyramid, no blood draws, all of that good stuff. Just answer the questions on the application,
Yep. And then once you
uh,
have a policy, it's going to follow you until you let it go.
which don't let it go. But that's a different conversation.
Right.